Hello everybody, Lucky Mikey Cage here, welcome back to another video. So guys, today, this is the new update and it looks so delicious. Literally, Wild Weekend Just Desserts. Try yourself this Wild Weekend with delicious dessert themed items and accessories. This weekend only, you can pile your den high with waffle furniture and deck yourself out in waffle sundae accessories. These delectable items will only be available this Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so get your snack on. That sounds great, doesn't it? I actually think I'm going to go check that out. I have 2 jacks. That is great. Alright. I got 3 diamonds. Great. Let's see what my 2 jags are. AHQ. AHQ. Animal Jam Shop. Cool. Alright, let's labels from AHQ. Please don't ask me what I did with this outfit. It looks terrible. I know. And also so does this one. I was making a video with that. But yeah. So let's go see what these new items are. Let's go into my township. They're probably in the diamond shop, most likely, because that's where everything is. So, yeah. Alright. Excuse me. Alright, let's check this out. Look at these spicy looking stuff over here. Alright, not that, just these. Alright, so that's 5, 7, 8, 9. Right? 9. Yeah. Ice cream helmet. Dessert dessert armor. Banana split tail. Waffle amulet. And waffle shoes. This is like the best outfit ever. I am like gonna keep this on for the entire video, guys, just for y'all. Oh no, that's music. I don't want music. Den items. Here we go. Well, alright, so it looks like they're all 1. I hope. Alright, that's 9 days left for the rainbow cloud. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's buy all this spicy looking stuff. I don't. Oh wait, no, poopy. I only like buying the original stuff because I just it looks much more cooler when it's the original. Banana split telephone, waffle feast table. Oh my god! Actually, surprise, I had waffles for breakfast this morning, so it's wonderful. But oh, I was about to be like, when did I look like that? By the power of being unhealthy. Yes. Yes. And then they just leave? Girl, I'm just trying to talk to you, and then you just leave? Ew, horses only party. Ew, so fancy. So, let's go to my den. Nope, 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 nope. Great. Let's go to my den. Not this one. Let's do a different den. I have way too many dens, so. So, let's see. I'm going to do... Let's do a small house one. Me and my friend share this account. Alright. Oh yeah, this was... When I first started playing Animal Jam, this was the den that I made, I think. This was a different thing, but I don't know. Let me make sure that there are no... No, I'm just gonna... Where? Okay, here's the clear. Probably all den items. Now let's do this. Giant waffle banana split. Right, you know, I'm actually gonna do that last. Alright, let's get out this waffle feast table. No, we need those nice looking waffles in here. I gotta move this so I can, you know, figure this out. So, good. Then I can move it a little bit. Oop. I gotta move it this way. And just like that. Perfect. Alright, banana waffle, not banana waffle. Waffle table, but I can't freaking get it. There we go. Up this way. Boom, perfecto. Banana split telephone. Let's get this bad boy on here. Let's put that over here. Put the telephone there. And then get this waffle chair. Wait, which other way does it go? And then it goes this way, of course. Of course, it goes the ways that I don't need it to be. Alright, and then let's put this waffle chair over here by this waffle table, and then get this waffle sofa and put this waffle sofa by this waffle table and this waffle chair. See how amazing this look, guys? And then I got the hidden Juno statue. But yeah, that's really it. Now I'm going to log out of this account, go into my other account, and I can show you guys the code for the Juno statue. So yeah. Yes, I know about the Wild Weekend. And then spin 2 diamonds. Great. Alright, I get these 2 cards from AGHQ. So oh yeah, the Juno statue. That's what I was gonna do. Let's go over to my den. Alright, I know my den is like crazy. Alright, redeem a code. So to get the Juno statue, and guys, so most people, like a lot of people, are just scamming, and they're just like, oh, this Juno statue is like worth a headdress. But you know, all I gotta do is go to the settings button. Nope, not my art. Oh, look at my art. Babu. Anyways, you gotta go to settings button, and then you need to go to redeem code right here. And then you go to enter your code, and then you type in Juno, Juno. Click continue, and click to get your gift, and you get a hidden Juno statue. But yeah, that's really it. So oh yeah, one more thing that I want to go through is I want to go to the shop that they have. Okay, let's go over here. I want to go to this. Alright, you click on a link that may take you to another site. Oh, yes. Alright, so I'm actually still in Animal Jam. Whatever. So this is a shop. We trust the merchandise vendors we link to. However, for any site you visit, it's always a good idea to read and understand the site's safety and policy. Got it. Alright, so there's some spice looking stuff over here. Yeah, so this is actually really cool. And whoa, look at this panda doing some nice looking scullies over there. Alright, let's see. So they have subscription boxes for $23. Ooh, 3-month membership, Team Direwolf, Deluxe Posh Panda plush. I have Kit, Enchanted Magic Bunny hoodie, Club Geos or Geos, Club Geos. I think that's right, but let's go to gift certificates. I want to see what gift certificates they have. 12-month, 6-month, 3-month. Cool. Let's go to subscription boxes. So now you can get all the subscription boxes. Oh wait, no, never mind. Right. Hopefully soon I will be able to get a box. So yeah. Hopefully I'm like really hoping that I get to get this. Unlock exclusive game code. Redeem now. Redeem now. Oh, I want to see this. Oh. Uh, can't find your code. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I want to see if this works. It probably is. ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to get logged out from here. So I'm close that. Do I get anything? Probably not. Yep, I totally would work. But yeah. Alright, let's go up to the top again. Help. Alright, let's go to the back button. And let's go to, yeah, so cuddly plush. So I have the Pillow Pet Fox. That's literally the only thing I have. Awesome apparel. Sunrare. I just like love those words. Sunrare. It just says Sunrare. I don't know why I love it, but I just do. I love it a lot. Oh my god, they have costumes. That is adorable. Darn it, I wish I was small enough to get a costume. Incredible books. Whoa, look at how realistic that looks. JK, it doesn't look that realistic. But you know, it's good enough. Now let's see what's here. Not much. But yeah guys, that's really it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!